Hello po, I'm Alexandra Nicole. I will sing Don't Love You. Sarili ko po siyang compose, kaya sana magustuhan niyo. You left on my own. It was a crowded room, but I felt so alone. On my own, everything's incomplete, but like my heart just went cold. Why couldn't you tell me directly that you didn't really care anymore? Why couldn't you learn how to fix me? And I wouldn't feel so down and left before. It always felt so good, but now it's blue. Never trouble, but now it's true. I would want you back, but better. I've moved on, I don't love you anymore. Every